welcome to Vidyanagar online science class. Today I am going to discuss with you the few points from our second chapter, components of food. At the end of today's module, you will learn about the role of nutrients in our body, balanced diet, deficiency diseases, etc. Let's begin our today's class. Okay. We have learned from our previous class that our food contains nutrients like carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fats, in addition dietary fiber and water, which also needed by our body. Now we are going to discuss about what is the role of these nutrients in our body, or in which way these nutrients help us to maintain the good health. Before moving into the concept, let me ask you one thing. Why we have to eat food? Yes, food gives us energy. Food gives us energy. Do you know one thing? Which other nutrients gives us energy? Or which other nutrients present in the food gives us energy? They are carbohydrate and fats. Which other nutrients gives us energy? Carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates and fats mainly provides energy. Carbohydrate and fats mainly provides energy. And the food items which contains fats and carbohydrates are known as energy giving foods. Why? Because they give us energy. The food which contains carbohydrate and fats are known as energy giving foods, because when we eat these foods, we get energy. When we eat these foods, we get energies. Examples of energy giving foods are wheat, rice, potatoes, fruits, vegetables, etc. So, carbohydrates and fats mainly provide us energy, and the food which contain carbohydrate and fats are known as energy giving foods. So we should eat energy giving foods like potatoes, rice, wheat, etc. to get energy. Clear? Okay. Then you tell me, what is the role of protein in our body? Have you ever thought of why we should eat the milk, ghee, eggs, meat, etc.? These foods contains proteins. These foods contains proteins. And proteins are needed for the growth and repair of our body. What is the role of protein in our body? Proteins are needed for the growth and repair of our body. Proteins are needed for the growth and repair of our body. See, you may seen that, your cousins, your brothers and your sisters are usually going to the gym, right? Why they are going to the gym? To maintain their body. And usually they have the habit of drinking proteins drinks, no? Why? Because these proteins are needed for the growth, muscles, etc. Growth and repair of our body. And the food which contains proteins are known as body building foods. The food which contains proteins are known as body building foods. Examples like meat, fish, egg, milk, ghee, etc. are protein containing foods, and they are body building foods. Okay, then why we have to eat the vitamins, These vitamins protect us against the diseases. Why we are not getting, different diseases very fast? Because there are some vitamins in our body which protect us from these diseases. So the role of vitamin in our body is that vitamins protect us against the diseases. Vitamins protect us against the diseases. And also vitamins keeps our eyes, bones, gums, etc. healthy. There are different types of vitamins are there, like vitamin A, vitamin B, C, D, etc. Vitamin A helps in the vision. Vitamin C protect us against the diseases. Vitamin D gives us calcium which is needed by our bones, and etc. Different vitamins are there, and these vitamins have their own roles in our body. So we have to eat vitamin rich foods like fruits, vegetables, etc. to protect our body against the diseases. So vitamins protect us against the diseases. Okay. Then what is the role of minerals then? Why we should eat the minerals? These minerals are essential for the proper growth and maintenance of our body. The role of vitamins in our body is that minerals are needed for the proper growth and maintenance of our body. So minerals are essential for the proper growth and maintenance of our body. So because of that minerals, the body always, we can maintain our body with the help of this minerals like iron, calcium, phosphorus, etc. Iron, calcium, phosphorus, etc. are minerals. These minerals maintain our health and also it helps in the proper growth of our body. So we should eat minerals rich foods like meat, fish, egg, vegetable, fruits, nuts, etc. to maintain our proper growth and maintain the body and for the proper growth. So minerals are essential for the proper growth and maintenance of our body. Okay. Then besides these nutrients, mainly we have 5 nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Besides these nutrients, our body needs dietary fiber and water. Why? Dietary fibers are also known as roughage. Which is the other name of dietary fiber? Roughage. Dietary fiber or roughage does not give any nutrients to our body, but it helps to remove the waste from our body. See, the removal of waste from our body also very important function in our body, because we have to eat the foods and our body absorbs the nutrients and minerals which it requires, and the waste need to remove from the body. Otherwise, if there is not such mechanism in our body, it creates different problems for our body. So which helps to remove the waste from our body? Roughages. It helps to get rid of the undigested food from the body. That removal of undigested food from our body is known as removal of waste from the body. The roughages examples like potatoes, whole grains, pulses, vegetables, foods, etc. helps to remove the waste from our body. And water. Water absorbs the nutrients from our food. Water absorbs the nutrients and also it throw out the waste as urine and sweat. See, urination, removal of water from the body. And sweat. Sweat also is a removal of waste. So water throws out the waste through sweat and urine. So besides nutrients, dietary fiber and water also very much important, because roughage helps to remove the waste from the body. Water absorbs the nutrients and also it throws out some waste from our body as urine and sweat. Okay, so which are the two components gives us energy? Carbohydrate and fats. And the food which contains carbohydrate and fats are energy giving foods. And proteins helps in the proper growth and repair of our body. Proper growth and repair of our body. And the food which contain protein are body building foods. Vitamins protect us against the diseases. Vitamin A needed for our eyes. Vitamin C protects against the diseases. Vitamin D gives calcium which is needed by the bones. And minerals are essential for the proper growth and maintenance of our body. Dietary fiber helps to remove the waste from the body, and water absorbs nutrients and throws out the waste as urine and sweat. Most of the food items contains more than one type of nutrients. When we design our diet, we must include all the nutrients in the right amounts, not too much one of it or not too little of other. We must include all the nutrients in the right amount. Such diet is known as balanced diet. So our diet should contain all the nutrients in the right amount. Why? Because each nutrient is essential for our proper health. Each nutrients have their own roles in our body. Like carbohydrates and fats gives energy, proteins are needed for the proper growth, vitamins protects against the diseases, etc. Which means we should eat all these nutrients containing foods in a day. Such diet is known as balanced diet. So all the nutrients should balanced diet. Not too much of one or not too less of others. We have to include all the nutrients in the right amount. Such diet is known as balanced diet. If our diet is balanced, or if our diet should contain all the nutrients, we can maintain a good health. Otherwise, we'll have different diseases. Clear? Suppose if our body is lack of nutrients over a long period of times, which means if there is now people are having the habit of eating fried food items or outside food items. No one is not interested in homely foods, right? So now, which means now our eating habit is wrong. So if our body is lack means shortage. If there is any shortage of nutrients in our body, we'll get different diseases. Such diseases are known as deficiency diseases. Deficiency means what? Lack of or shortage. So what is deficiency diseases or what are deficiency diseases? Deficiency diseases are the diseases occurs due to the lack of nutrients over a long period of time. Deficiency diseases are the diseases occurs due to the lack of nutrients over a long period of time. Lack of vitamin A causes loss of vision or night blindness. Lack of vitamin B1 causes beriberi. Lack of vitamin C causes scurvy. Lack of vitamin D, rickets, etc. So these are the deficiency diseases. The deficiency diseases are the diseases which occurs due to the lack of nutrients over a long period of time. So vitamin A causes night blindness. Vitamin B1, beriberi, vitamin C, scurvy, vitamin D, rickets, etc. If there is deficiency of carbohydrates and fats, such persons become very weak. if there is the protein deficiency, such diseases are known as kwashiorkor, the protein deficient disease. The deficiency diseases due to the lack of protein, that is kwashiorkor. It is mainly occurs in children in the countries when there is no food, enough food. Where there is no enough food. So we can overcome this deficiency diseases only by taking the balanced diet. Balanced diet is a diet which contains all the nutrients in the right amount. If we eat the balanced diet, our body gets all the nutrients in the right amount and we can protect our body from the deficiency diseases and will be healthy and happy always. So eating too much fatty foods are not good for health. So we must select a balanced diet. That diet should contain all the nutrients in the right amount. So all the nutrients are essential for our proper growth because each nutrients have their own roles in our body.
Let us compare some deficiency diseases and their symptoms. Vitamin A, loss of vision. Poor vision, loss of vision in darkness, sometimes complete loss of vision. Vitamin B1, beriberi, weak muscles and very little energy to work. Vitamin C, scurvy, bleeding gums, wounds take longer time to heal. Vitamin D, rickets, bones become soft and bent. Calcium, bones and tooth decay, weak bones, tooth decay. Iodine, goiter, glands in the neck appear swollen, mental disability in children. Iron, anemia, weakness.
If our body is lack of some nutrients, it affects our body severely. Such condition is known as deficiency diseases. In order to protect our body from the deficiency diseases, we must include a balance or we must eat a balanced diet. Balanced diet is a diet which contains all the nutrients in the right amount. Our diet also should contain roughage or dietary fiber and water. Such diet is known as balanced diet. Eating right kind of food is not enough. It should be cooked properly so that nutrients are not lost from the food. Some nutrients are lost during the preparations and cooking. Vegetables and fruits washed off after cutting or peeling them. This may result in the loss of some vitamins and minerals. The skin of vegetables and fruits contain some minerals and vitamins. The repeated washing of pulses and rice, etc. destroys some nutrients and the proteins, etc. Cooking also destroys some vitamins and proteins. So the important thing is to select a balanced diet. Balanced diet is the only solutions to protect our body from the deficiency diseases. If our diet is a balanced one, if our diet contains all the nutrients in the right amount, we will be healthy, happy and safe always. Otherwise, if our eating habit is bad or wrong, it affects our body severely. So, being the good persons, it is our duty to select a good diet. A diet which is good and apt for our health. Such diet is known as balanced diet. We must include roughage and water also in our diet. It does not give any nutrients, but it helps to remove the waste from our body, and water absorbs nutrients and also it throws the waste. The removal of waste from our body also very important for a human being. Let us conclude today's class. Carbohydrates and fats provides energy. So such foods are known as energy giving foods. proteins needed for the growth of our body. So growth and repair of our body, such foods are bodybuilding foods. Vitamins protect us against the diseases. Minerals are essential for the proper growth and maintenance of our body. Balanced diet is a diet which contains all the nutrients in the right amount. Our diet should also contain roughage and water, because it helps to remove the waste from our body and water absorbs the nutrients. If our body is lack of any of the nutrients over a long period of time, such diseases are known as deficiency diseases like beriberi, scurvy, rickets, kwashiorkor, etc. So this is the end of today's class. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.